Traders, Monday, markets close August 20th, 2018. This is Zellman, thetradingteacher.com. Live trading course is available. Going to report on NBDR, No Borders, Inc. Been reporting on her. If you guys remember the previous recordings posted on the site, Twitter, and YouTube, you notice that this uptrend right here was a support level. Notice how it ticked down. I said this might be the best buying area for individuals who's trying to get along here. Well, did just that, and it rose up today to about 7 cents. Remember, this stock is volatile, so a big buyer can push this upwards heavily. Same thing if there's a huge seller, could push this down fast. But it's at support levels. We've got this uptrend going. Might show resistance here. We have to see where it plays out. This is a trading channel. You got lower highs and you got higher lows, and this uptrend and downtrend is playing perfectly. News comes out, if it's great news, we can see it break through this downtrend and show something great. How great, honestly can't tell you, just because these prices were never hit before, so I can't give you a target price of any kind, since there was no higher resistance level or no history of highs prior to these highs over here. So anybody that gives you a rough estimate, I can't honestly tell you if they know what they're talking about. I'm mainly technicals. I do take fundamentals into considerations, especially at the stocks I'm trading. But however, it's this particular stock bounced off its uptrend. It's looking good. Remember, we could see it go up to here and then maybe bounce one more time or two more times. Just trade in this range. Trade in this range. And when it comes up to this crossover here, you see this X? If it's trading above it, it's going to explode. And you notice how it's pretty much around the resistance area around here. So breaks through here, what it does is it breaks its downtrend automatically, right? And then we already know it's going higher once it breaks through this downtrend. And this will eventually, the downtrend will become its support and it'll bounce off those levels. But until then, it's in this trading range and it can break higher. It can take one or two more moves upwards prior to breaking through this downtrend. But it's at its uptrend and shows that it's support. Believe this is what I stated that it's going to happen, and did just that. Now let's see if it pulls through and continues staying above this uptrend. Hopefully she can break through this downtrend right here. Once again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to take a live trading course with me, go to thetradingteacher.com and review the live trading course section.